Listen up. I was challenged to use my algorithms on a funded account. So this video shows you exactly how that actually went. Okay. So the challenge was basically, okay, Sean, you have all these algorithms, you're using it on your own account, you're using it to give signals, but does it really work with a funded account? Well, guys, listen and listen carefully. Whether it's a funded account, whether it's a live account, whether it's a demo account, an account is an account, right? You're still pressing the buy or sell button. It doesn't make any difference. It's only the risk that you're taking which makes a big difference. Okay. Now, with the rise of algorithmic trading, it is very important that you understand that having a system like this, having the first move advantage in a system like this that is algorithmically correct, process driven, via a process that is correct 85% of the time over a 20-year back-tested period. Yes, I did the statistics. It is impossible to lose. It is impossible for me to lose money in the long run. Sure, the algorithm can give me a few bad trades, but does that mean that I'm automatically and inconsistently, rather, I'll say, am I automatically a consistently losing trader? No. No, you will have periods of losses as well. You can't control that. But if you understand that these losses are just a part of that 15% of the time in which you lose, you'll know that 85% of the time you're going to be winning. And this is a solution that I'm giving to you guys, the retail clients, the retail traders. I mean, even I'm a retail trader, right? But I created this. You guys now have the opportunity to never blow your accounts ever again unless you full margin, and unfortunately the next trade is a loss. Okay, so please trade carefully, please manage your risk properly, and I am guaranteeing you in this video that you will see success. You will see success. So the main premise behind all of this is that Trade Easy, which is what I'm calling my algorithm, my platform, my system, it makes trading so easy, literally, that it feels illegal. Now, let me show you why. The FTMO challenge that I bought and passed in one single day on Friday, which was the 25th of October 2024, my stats look like this. See this? Starting date 25th, result 1054. I made the 10% objective plus some, 100% win rate, two trades. And these are the two trades that I will be breaking down for you today. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's go to gold because I took it on gold. Here is the second trade that I took right there, right? And what we'll do is we will switch the algorithm to show us buys only. Why buys? Because the weekly bias was bullish. The daily bias was bearish, which is why, the London session gave us a nice sell. And if you think about the continuation CRP profile, the Asian session was manipulation, London session distribution, New York session PM session continuation to reversal. But in this case, only a complete reversal happened. That is because of the weekly profile and the weekly bias. Now, the weekly bias is not shown on this feed, the Pepperstone feed. If you take a look at another feed, you will see that the weekly bias was indeed bullish, as you can see right here. Okay, so if you go back to Pepperstone, you will see that I saw, or rather you can see, a buy signal that occurred on the 1 hour chart right here at the lows, right there. So what we will do is let's mark out the stop loss region and let's mark out the take profit region. Okay, let's mark out the take profit region. Should be over here. Let's remove all of these guys. Okay, and what we'll do is we'll check and see how exactly you would be taking these trades, how you would have taken these trades, okay, had you been in my shoes. So let me show you exactly how I did it, right? So we saw that we had the buy signal. Forget these are 5-minute signals, they don't matter. You have to use it based on the higher time frame. Take them out, and here's what I saw, okay? Throughout the entire London session, we were dropping. And as we were dropping over here, we were increasing in volume right there. We got that volatility spike. We got the volume spike as we were coming down. So now all we need to look for is a change in the state of delivery via a inverse fair value gap. And over here, there is no inverse fair value gap that we can see. What we will do is we go to the 3-minute chart. And on the 3-minute chart also, we can't see anything. Now we go to the 1-minute chart. And on the 1-minute chart, I'm interested in the first inverse fair value gap that existed in the range as price was going higher. This is where I had my first buy. Stop loss was here. Okay. And my take profit was not here. It was at these highs. Okay. I'll show it to you based on the 5-minute chart because these are only suggestions for TP, right? So if I'm giving a signal, I will give you a signal based on this. This was my TP around here. Okay. And this is how it went, as you can see, right? Now, after that, what we saw was another buy signal, as you can see here on the 30-minute chart. See that there? This one, buy signal. And here on the 1-hour chart also, a buy signal right here. So what am I looking for then? What I'm looking for, again, I took the buy over here as well. The screenshot has been sent to the Telegram, public Telegram group. Link is in the description below. So please do join it for when I send you guys a free signal. And by the way, if you want the free signals, you can definitely comment free down in the description below. And I will send you guys the Telegram link if you can't find it. Okay. Now here, what I'm looking for is the same thing. Since I got the buy signal, I want to validate that buy signal with increasing volume, meaning when price is going down, you can see volume is increasing. That's all I need to say that when I see this inverse gap right there, I am buying. Stop loss here. Okay. Now, why am I keeping my stop loss here? Because if you change state of delivery right here, this stop loss is safe. Unless the time of day is wrong, this stop loss is safe. Okay. Yeah. These are the trades that I took to pass this challenge in one day with the algorithm. And you can do the same. Okay, that is the process. This is exactly how I did it. And in my personal account, this was running. I closed it by mistake over here. I was at this private party full of investors. I closed it over here because I saw it going down and I didn't have proper context. I did not have the trading view charts on me at the time. So I could not, get a proper read on this. Although my full TP was over here, over there. Okay. So in hindsight, of course, it's a good thing I closed it because I don't like to hold my positions over the weekend. So that was a good decision of me to make, but I really could have squeezed another 100 pips or so. It gave me a bit more money, but I didn't. All right. So, but it is what it is. Okay. Now, these are the trades I took to pass challenge. And if you want to be able to do the same thing, minus the signals, if you want to do the same thing in your own way, using your own trading model at your own discretion, if you want to make the entire process easy, just like how I'm showing you how easy it is, comment the number 50 down in the comment section below to receive a 50% off on the lifetime offer. Okay. And also be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do comment 50, I'll ask you to send me a message on Telegram and we can take it from there. So with that said, good luck and good trading. Bye-bye.